You are bungee jumping in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Go for it. Can I see the numbers on your hands, please? How do I say your name?
Yahweh.
Yahweh. How are you feeling, Yahweh?
So fucking scared.
It's okay. It's okay. For good reason, right? Yahweh, do you have any questions about your bungee? So we'll get a photo over there on the jump deck. We'll give a wave out to your fans. I'll then count down from 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You'll dive out of here.
But what would be the my position in diving?
Doesn't matter. I think arms out to the side looks cool. Kind of fall forward, then push yourself out.
So fucking scared.
It's okay, brother. You got it. You got it. Let's give that some of that action.
And then how will I go up?
Then the boat will pick you up and you'll walk up the stairs, which is the hard part. All right, bro, let's go have some fun. What'd you say, sorry?
Will I feel any pain?
No, you won't.
Okay.
You're right, bro. Yahweh, come out here. Yeah, you stand yourself up. I'm going to be holding on to you behind you.
Oh god.
You got it, bro. Let's go, Yahweh. Let's go.
There's a fucking free fall.
All right, bro. I want you to get your toes just out on the edge there. A little bit further.
Oh man.
Yep, that's perfect. Well done. All right, Yahweh, I want you to follow my hand. Look all the way around over here. We're going to get a photo. Give them a wave. Oh, look at all those fans.
Oh my god.
All right, Yahweh, let's go to the bridge now. Awesome job, bro. Keep looking upwards. When I get to 1, you're going to fall forward. Here we go. You are bungee jumping in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Go for it. Lovely work, brother. Oif! Tension's on. Well done, Yahweh. You've made it to TikTok.